In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new chat in Gmail using Google Chat, a tool seamlessly integrated into your email for smooth and efficient communication. If you're already signed into your Google account, you're one step ahead. If not, you'll want to begin by entering your Google account credentials to access all the features we're about to delve into. Now, let's dive into starting a new chat. First, locate the plus icon strategically positioned near the top left corner of your screen, adjacent to the chat section. This is your gateway to initiating a fresh conversation. In Gmail itself, you'll notice an option labeled Start a Chat under the chat section. Clicking this prompts you to enter either a name, an email address, or even a group name if you're looking to start a conversation with more than one person. This feature is particularly handy for group projects or collaborative tasks where multiple points of view are needed. As you begin typing, Google will suggest contacts based on your entries. These suggestions rely on your Google contacts, showing you a list of potential matches. Simply select the correct contact or group from the search results once they appear. This intuitive feature simplifies the process by ensuring you find exactly who you're looking to connect with. After selecting the contact, a new chat window will open, ready for you to start your conversation. Now, on to crafting your message. At the bottom of this new chat window is a text box, inviting you to compose your message. Take a moment to think about what you'd like to communicate. Keep it concise or elaborate. It's completely up to you. When you're satisfied with your message, hit the Enter key and off it goes to the recipient's inbox. Employing these steps for efficient digital communication not only allows for quick interactions, but also enhances collaboration among colleagues, friends, or family. As you start using Google Chat more frequently, you'll likely find that these steps become second nature. With the simplicity of the interface and the powerful integration with your existing Google contacts, you'll never have to struggle with finding or reaching the right person again. Remember, whether you're using this feature for professional purposes, catching up with a friend, or coordinating with a group, it's a reliable way to ensure that your words reach their destination promptly. So the next time the need to communicate arises, whether urgent or relaxed, rest assured that, with these tools at your disposal, your voice will be heard loud and clear. I hope this guide has empowered you to harness the potential of Google Chat within Gmail efficiently. Enjoy connecting with ease and happy chatting.